Getting started with UI/UX design.
UI/UX design focuses on creating user-friendly digital products. To start learning, it's important to understand the basics of user interface and user experience, including principles of usability, interaction, and visual design. Many free online resources are available, making it possible to begin your journey without spending money. Let's explore highly recommended platforms and materials you can access at no cost.
Free online courses for beginners.
Coursera and edX offer introductory UI/UX design courses for free, including content from leading universities such as the University of Michigan and Georgia Tech. Topics covered include wireframing, prototyping, and human-centered design. While certifications might require payment, you can audit most courses at no cost and gain valuable foundational skills.
Self-paced learning on YouTube.
YouTube hosts a wealth of free UI/UX tutorials and lectures from experienced designers. Channels like The Future, Flux, and Charlie Marie TV provide practical tips, project-based lessons, and portfolio advice. These videos are ideal for visual learners who benefit from seeing real-world design workflows and tools in action.
Comprehensive guides and reading materials.
Websites like uxdesign.cc and Interaction Design Foundation offer in-depth articles, guides, and glossary terms. Google's Material Design Guidelines and Apple's Human Interface Guidelines are also key references, providing official design standards. Reading these resources helps build a solid theoretical foundation for UI/UX concepts and industry best practices.
Practice platforms and design communities.
Hands-on practice is essential in UI/UX. Figma and Adobe XD provide free starter plans to experiment with real tools. Platforms like Dribbble and Behance offer inspiration and portfolio hosting, while forums such as Reddit's r/user experience and designer hangout foster knowledge sharing and critique from other learners and professionals.
Building your UI/UX learning path.
To make the most of these free resources, set aside regular practice time, complete design challenges, and seek feedback from design communities. With dedication and active engagement, you can build a strong foundation in UI/UX design entirely online, without spending a cent. Your new skills will open doors to creative projects and career opportunities.